What's going on, everybody? Joel back with you for another video here on the Snap-on Tool Review. Today we got a mail call. Stay tuned.
I left alone, my mind was blank. I needed time to think, to get the memories from my mind. What did I see? Can I believe?
Alright guys, as I said, we're going to get into it. I'm going to go back a little ways. We'll start with some of the smaller ones that I got, and then we'll go from there. I'm recording today on my Osmo mobile and my brand new iPhone 10, so hopefully the audio and all that stuff's good, also with a brand new mic, so it's like my own personal cameraman. This thing is great. Okay, so the first one I got was well, God, it's a couple of months ago, and this is Dan Bates. He's now Dano's Toolbox on YouTube. You can check him out. I will leave the links for all these YouTube channels in the description. I think I showed this once already. It might have been a Snap-on Wednesday. So again, this was laying in my toolbox for a while, and I have had to, to do this video, had to tape this little MP3 card back on. But he sent me some old school wrenches, and these are some Herbrand wrenches. I thought they were cool as hell, so he sent those to me, and then an MP3 disc or MP3 stick full of music. So thank you, Dan, for that. That was awesome. I love fan mail. Okay, next one. H&H Country on YouTube. You guys can check them out. They've got some cool stuff on there. He sent me a letter, which I'm not going to read, but he also sent me some magnets for my toolbox or my fridge at home or whatever. You guys can see that H&H Country right there. And so they have a YouTube channel you guys can check out. Well, I guess I can read this. It says, "Hey Joel, love the channel. Here's a couple of magnets from my channel. I know you like skulls like I do. Rock on, H&H Country." So go ahead and check those guys out. Yeah, so that was a while ago too. And I apologize, I haven't got to this video for a long time, but whatever, it is what it is. Sometimes you can't just make one video for one piece of mail. I waited until the end, so. This one was cool. I showed this in a live stream one day, and it came with a couple of stickers. One was for Manny, and Manny is no longer here. It's been given to Manny though. And this one came from Tom Knopp, K-N-O-P-P, if I'm pronouncing that correct. I apologize if I'm not. And it came with a letter, which I'll skim through. If I can read it, I'll read it. Gave me a couple of stickers, "Keep your hands off my tools." And Hilltop Machine Works. This is for his YouTube channel. I'm on YouTube now, Hilltop Machine Works. You guys can check them out too. And then he gave me two of these stickers. You can see that in the reflection. It says, "Snap-on Professional Technician, build it right, build it tight." And he gave one to Manny, and it said "Mechanic in Training." So that's cool. Here's the letter here. I'll skim through it. "Hey Joel, recently found your channel and subscribed. I too love Snap-on tools. I think their ratchets are the best. I just wish they weren't so proud of their stuff. Anyways, find enclosed some viewer gifts for yourself. The sticker with 'In Training' is for Manny. I recently got my YouTube channel up and running. If you like machining, metal fab, welding, check me out at Hilltop Machine Works. Cheers, Tom Knopp." P.S. Once you get your new stickers made, we're talking about the new stickers with my new logo. I have not yet got them made, but I will be sending you out some, and send one down my way if you don't mind. So thank you, Tom, for that awesome letter. I have a drawer that I have that's full of fan mail, so I was actually just showing Hunter, and Hunter's like, "What the fuck?" Okay, let's get into the into another one here. This is from a subscriber, Randy, and you guys have, I think, maybe seen this already, but you know, of course, we didn't do a dedicated video for the mail call, so let's do this one now. So Randy is a police officer in Ohio. So he sent me a patch, says Deputy Sheriff on it, you know, Sheriff Ohio, and he sent me his address because I had to send him some stickers and some cash. Encloses a couple of gifts, $5 for a green sticker. Yeah, I'm a huge fan of you and Junkie. I'm on vacation this week from work. This was a while ago, remember. So let's see here, Snap-on, never stepped foot on a Snap-on truck. I love Snap-on tools, but this 1/4-inch ratchet was my only Snap-on tool I ever owned, and I'm a deputy here in Ohio and don't do a ton of wrenching, but I do get my hands dirty once in a while working on motorcycles. I just ordered my new lime green Homac 35-inch 7-drawer roll cart and hope to fill that with Snap-on and other quality tools. So he sent me this ratchet, and it is an old Snap-on 1/4-inch ratchet. It's I think somewhere from the 30s. It is a military issue, so there is no date stamp on it. But this lives inside my toolbox, and I have actually used it. All right, so thank you, Randy. That was awesome. And since then, he's got a couple of really nice green Snap-on ratchets. So congratulations, Randy. That's awesome. The third to last one, this was from Anthony Trozy. I can't remember. I can't pronounce his name properly. He sent me a couple of patches. So Freehold Township, New Jersey. That patch right there. An American patch. I will put this on my toolbox somewhere. And I own an IM 6100 back from the 1990s. Yeah, maybe 98, 99 is when those things came out. And he knows that I had one and I love it, so he sent me a keychain of one. I'll read the letter here. Hey Joel, my dad used to be a Snap-on dealer here in New Jersey, and I found some of his old knick-knack promotions, and it's an IM 6100 keychain. I always hear you talking about how much you love that gun, so I sent you a keychain of it. I also sent a patch of the town I work for and an American flag patch. Keep up the good work. With much support, Anthony Trozy. I apologize. So thank you, Anthony. Super nice, super awesome. Okay, let's get into this one. This one is from Walter Frederick down in, where is this again? Michigan. So, sent me a letter. Again, sent me some cash. I sent him a shirt and a couple of stickers. So I haven't even taken it out and put it in my wallet yet. Joel encloses a Canadian made Snap-on ratchet. It's a 3/8 drive. I am a subscriber of yours and enjoy watching your videos. Also is enclosed is cash. He had no PayPal. I got a couple of stickers and a Snap-on tool review t-shirt, which has been sent out, and I hope you enjoy them, Walter. So that's all cool. And here is the ratchet that he sent me. This thing is so... I love antique ratchets, guys. If you ever want to send me an antique ratchet, go ahead. I will take care of it. I will love it. This is from 1965. It's a 3/8 Snap-on ratchet, F710B, and it is Canadian made, which makes it special. And it came from the States, which is super cool. So, thank you very much, Walter. And again, this lives in my toolbox. It's been in my toolbox since you sent it to me. Obviously, I put it in the box for the mail call, and I haven't used it yet. Last but not least, I just got this the other day. I've been talking to this subscriber for a while now, actually. So there was no note enclosed or anything like that, but we were talking for a while. This came from Peterborough, Ontario. the subscribers, Blake. So Blake sent me some cool stuff, and this is super humbling, guys, because Blake knew that I was missing one of my snap-on lights, and he just so happened to have one laying around, so he sent it to me. Look at that. I found my light. It was at Blake's house. It was brand new. Apparently it was a promo item or something like that. I think he got it on promo or buy one get one free or something like that. And he never used it, had it laying around, so he sent it to me. It's so cool. And then he sent me a couple of stickers and a Canadian Snap-on catalog from 1967. This thing is so fucking cool, guys. I'm so humbled for this kind of stuff. This is so cool. This is the things you had to actually contact your dealer, and they would tell you the prices and stuff when they would come around in the truck. But it is so cool. We'll make a video. We'll go through this one day and show you guys some of the tools were in here that were. Oh man, it's just so cool. I thank you so much, Blake. This is so awesome. And then he sent me a couple of stickers, a couple of Snap-on stickers that he had laying around, and a Rockstar energy drink sticker. So super awesome. All right, guys, that's pretty much all I got for you. I thank every single one of my subscribers for sending me in fan mail. Again, if you want to send me any fan mail, my address is in the description below, right at the bottom. And yeah, Antique Ratchets is where it's at. So if anyone wants to send me an antique ratchet, goddamn, I will put it to use. I'll put it in my toolbox, and then yeah, it'll live in there comfortably for the rest of its life. I take good care of them. Canadian made, even better. I am looking for a 1978 3/8 ratchet. If anybody has a line of one, I will buy it too. So keep that in mind. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to comment, like, share, subscribe. You can always check me out on Instagram, Patreon, Facebook, and all that kind of stuff. And peace out, guys. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.